Let me try S mode. 5. And then when it's blinking, he says when it's blinking, it's in S mode. Fuck! Woo!
All the highest.
Okay, so now we're gonna do the KAABO again because I lost the footage when I rode it for the first time, bro. So we're gonna do it again. I'm gonna go inside the park this time. I'm gonna go inside.
Good. You know how to go up and down on the gears?
Yeah.
The up and down button. This is a
Okay.
You see it, right? How to go up and down on the gears? Yeah, right
This,
there.
okay.
Up. Yep. That's it. That's it. You're on 3.
You said it's dual?
Yeah, you're on 3.
Okay. Alright, we're on the KAABO now. Is this actually mode 3? Sorry, coming through. I feel like the front end is dipping a lot. I don't know. I'm actually in mode 3 dual, but I don't know. The power feels a little off. It's not like mind-blowing. Wait, hold on, bro. It's not like mind-blowing me. What's going on with that? Is it the power button? It's not doing much. Let me put it in mode 4, maybe. Yeah, it's still like kind of tame at the start. I don't know what's up with that. But this is my second/first impression on the KAABO. I lost the footage when I rode it for the first time. But basically, what I said was the suspension is better than the M2 in terms of the front suspension, the 2 crown forks versus, even though the M2 is forks, it's not crown forks. Crown forks is forks from the top to bottom, like the KAABO, dual stem. The M2 is not dual stem. But I also really like the little like howling sound that it makes, bro. The little woo. That's super cool. And I don't like what it's doing. The front end. Oh, it's probably not the front end that's dipping. It's probably that it's too low for me. That's what's happening. Yeah, it's too low. I'm 6'1". Alan is like 5'8", I think, about. It's not the front end that's dipping, it's just too low for me. I don't know how it's showing up on camera, but man. What are you doing, bro? Freaking city bike riders, it's always them, bro. Doing the dumbest shit. The power is not as instant as when I first tried it. This is a little bit more controlled, like the M2. I raised the power up to level 4 and it's still not like wowing me. I'm gonna do 5. Let's do 5. Mode 5 dual. Let's test it. Yeah, no, it's still not as, it's more jumpy, but like the wheel spin like that I got the first time I tried it was like, you couldn't even compare to this. I feel like I'm wobbling, bro. Yeah, I'm wobbling, bro. I'm feeling it wobble on like the rear wheel. Maybe the suspension is too soft or underinflated. I don't know. Yeah, I'm wobbling a little bit in the rear. Let me hurry up and complete this lap, bro. Like wobbles when I let off the throttle. The rear wheel. I feel myself kind of like sinking whenever I brake because I have to lean so far forward since the handlebars is too short for me, bro. You can't ride this low right in the middle of the loop, bro. Come on. Oh, that scooter is sick, bro. Oh, that's that Zhongling scooter, I think, that I saw on Amazon. This Zhong got like 6 headlights or something. Alright guys, well now I'm back. The camera died just now, but lucky for me, I had an extra battery and my backpack, but that's the only one I have left. So if the camera dies this time, I'm cooked because I did not bring my power bank. Oh no, it's giving me an error code. I can still ride it, but it's giving me error code 1 and it's like jerking me. What the fuck? I don't think I'm too far from Island. Wait, is it? And that do I have to tap both brakes? Is that what it is? Yo, I better call him, bro. I don't know what's going on. I'm getting error 1. I'm gonna call him right now. Okay, so the issue is resolved. I just turned it back. I just turned it off and back on. Before I talk, let me see if it's working. Hold on. Okay, it's working fine. Let me try S mode 5. And then when it's blinking, he says when it's blinking, it's in S mode. Fuck! Yo, that's what I'm talking about, bro. I was like, why is the power not like hitting me like it was on day 1, bro? I think you can only do S mode after you do 5. Hold on, does it still work if I go to 4? Nah, S mode. Yeah, S mode turns off when you put it in 4. So okay, back to 5 and then S mode. I'm almost done with the lap anyways. Hold on, check this out, check this out, check this out, check this out. Oh my gosh. Ready? Oh my gosh, bro. Insane. Insane. And front of the cops is wild though. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, why these guys try to go inside the park, bro? 2 of them.
You good?
Insane, bro.
Insane?
Insane S mode. Oh my goodness, bro. Wow. Wow. Let me chill.
Yes. Loved it?
Insane, bro.
Beautiful.
Yo, appreciate you guys, bro.
Anytime, man. Anytime, man.
Thank you so much.
You electric.
Thank you so much, bro. Yo, we gotta go cause I just switched the battery. This is the last battery I have.
No problem, bro. You with us, bro. So no worries. If you don't feel that way, I'm glad you came through, man.
You heard?
Yeah.
I just switched the battery. This is the last one.
Okay, got you.
I hope you know, bro.